Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the online classes of Sanskrit Pali School. Now, today we are doing chapter first of class 8 mathematics, exercise 1.1. First question on the board is minus 2 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 5 plus 5 upon 2 minus 3 upon 5 multiplied by 1 upon 6. Dear students, we solve this question by using the properties. First, in this question we observe that here 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 5 is common. So in these two steps, in these two terms, first we arrange them by commutative property. 2 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 5. इस नंबर को हम इधर लेकर आए, माइनस 3 upon 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 upon 6 एंड 5 upon 2 को हमने पीछे लिखा. नाउ इन बोथ टर्म्स 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 5 is common, so we use distributive property here. We take minus 3 upon 5 common from both terms. By taking minus 3 upon 5 as common, we get 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 6 and then plus 5 upon 2. Here minus 3 upon 5 multiplied by, we take LCM of 3 and 6 here. 3 और 6 का हम यहाँ पर LCM लेंगे. Then 6 is divided by 3, we get 2, and 2 multiplied by 2 becomes 4. Here 6 divided by 6 we get 1, and 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 plus 5 upon 2 here. Here is minus 3 upon 5 multiplied by 4 plus 1 get 5 upon 6 plus 5 upon 2. Here these two terms are in multiplication and it is in addition. So according to Bodmer's rule, first we solve multiplication. Here 3 and 6 are cut by 3 table. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, and 5 and 5 are cancelled. Then here it remains minus 1 upon 2, and here it is 5 upon 2. So it is equals to, we take LCM of both two rational numbers. The LCM of these rational numbers is 2, then it becomes minus 1 and it is 5, and we subtract them. 5 minus 1 is equals to 4 upon 2, and 4 is divided by 2 and we get 2. Here is the answer. So it is the first question we solve here. Let me take a next example. So guys, question number 2 is 2 upon 5 multiplied by 3 upon 7, subtract 1 upon 6 multiplied by 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 14 multiplied by 2 upon 5. Also here, similar to the question number 1, we observe here 2 upon 5 and 2 upon 5 is common in both two terms. First we arrange them here. First we write 2 upon 5 multiplied by 3 upon 7, and then 1 upon 14 multiplied by 2 upon 5. And we write this step at the back. Minus 1 upon 6 multiplied by 3 upon 2. So here we are going to use distributive property. By applying distributive property, we get 2 upon 5 as common here. So 2 upon 5, when we take 2 upon 5 as a common, we get minus 3 upon 7 plus 1 upon 14. And here we solve it. 3 1 is 3 and 3 2 is 6. These are cancelled by 3's table. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, and becomes 1 1 is 1 and 2 2 is 4. So it becomes minus 1 upon 4. Here 2 upon 5, and in this bracket we take LCM of both two rational numbers. The LCM of 7 and 14 is 14. Then 14 is divided by 7. 14 is divided by 7 two times, and we multiply 2 by 3 and we get minus 6 here. When 14 is divided by 14, we get 1 and 1 1 ja 1. Here it becomes minus 1 upon 4. So 2 upon 5, and we get minus 1, minus 6 plus 1, and we get minus 5 here. Becomes 14. Both two numbers are in multiplication. So 5 to 5 cancel, and 14 is cancelled by 2 7 times. So it becomes minus 1 upon 7, and here it becomes 1 upon 4. Then we take LCM of 7 and 4. The LCM of 7 and 4 is 28. When we divide 28 from 7, we get 4, and 4 is multiplied by 1, it becomes minus 4. When 28 is divided by 4, we get 7, and 7 is multiplied by minus 1, then we get minus 7. Here both two days, minus 4 and minus 7, are added. 4 and 7, minus 4 and minus 7 becomes minus 11 upon 28. So here is the answer of question number 2. Let's move to the next example. Let's do the next question. Question number 2. Find additive inverse of the following. Here are some questions. First is 2 upon 8. We want to find the additive inverse of the following. First we know about the additive inverse. Additive inverse means, here we understand it by an example. 2 upon 8. Here numerator and denominator both are positive. First we want to find the additive inverse of 2 upon 8. So the additive inverse of 2 upon 8 is negative 2 upon 8. If we add them, 2 upon 8 and negative 2 upon 8, we get 0 here, because when we take LCM, it becomes 0. So the additive inverse of 2 upon 8 is negative 2 upon 8. Next we take another example to understand what is additive inverse. Here another example is minus 5 upon 9. We want to find the additive inverse, so we take the opposite sign of this number. So additive inverse of minus 5 upon 9 becomes positive 5 upon 9. So the additive inverse of 5 upon 9 becomes positive 5 upon 9. If we add them, if we add both numbers, we get 0 here. Minus 5 upon 9, when added to it 5 upon 9, we get 0 here. Let's take another example to understand additive inverse. Here is the third example. Minus 6 upon minus 5. In this number, numerator and denominator both are negative, and here this number consider as positive because minus to minus has cancelled, So this number become positive 6 upon 5. So the additive inverse of this number becomes negative 6 upon 5. We just opposite the sign. Here are the next example. 2 upon minus 9. Here additive inverse of 2 upon 9 is equals to positive 2 upon 9. So dear students, today's class is over. Have a good day.